Today I'm going to be changing the glow plug on cylinder number 8 for 2006 Chevy Silverado 6.6 liter turbo diesel. Step number 1, remove this fender well here on the driver's side. The cylinder pattern is on the driver's side 2468 and 1357 on the passenger side as you're looking at the grill. Volts, want to make sure that this matches whatever you take out. This cost about $25 at Napa. Okay, we're going to remove the fender well. Here's a tool that you use to snap off these little things right here, these little round things. You put this on here, you lift it up and it snaps it off. I happen to have some spares here because I fixed them on all my cars, and I guess I got nothing better to do but work on cars all my life. Here's an example of how you take these off. You pull this thing out of the middle, and then it just pulls out like that. It falls all over the ground, so you got to search for it under the truck. All right, folks, we have the wheel well covering off here. One thing I wanted to show you to be careful with is you got some wires on some of these that are hooked up. On mine, there is a wire there hooked up, so be careful with that before you yank this thing out. All right, folks, fender well's off. We're looking inside the engine here now. The glow plug thing you got to take off. Now this happens to be cylinder 6. Cylinder 8's further over, but just wanted to show you what it looks like. Cylinder number 8 is right. You can see it. Oops. Pocket sizes will be 12 millimeter and 8 millimeter, period. You got to run your socket and stuff right between there, and it'll fit on it just perfect. You can take the nut off for the wire, and you can take off the glow plug. See it back in there, unscrewed. Got it unscrewed. One thing to know is that when I tried to unscrew it, it was really tight. I couldn't do it, and I was afraid to, if I forced it, it'd break off. And so what I did was sprayed some WD-40 on it, and then boom, it came right off after. Glow plug, there it is, and notice this magnet's strong enough to hold it. Okay, so we got both of these out side by side. You can see this one here is a used one. I don't know how to tell if it's bad or not, but it certainly has a lot of carbon on it. Here's what the new one looks like. But here's something interesting, is that I'm noticing the voltages on the new one, which is on the top here. This is the new one. And the bottom one, they're a little bit different. This one says 4.7 volts. This one says 4.85. Okay, folks, just went to Napa to validate part numbers. Looks like, I guess, they changed the voltage just a little bit from 4.7 to 4.85. We checked the glow plugs before this year and after this year. They all call for the same ones.